How to find the strongest and the weakest stocks for the year using telechart. If you want to know what stocks are actually leading the market, or you want to look at stocks which are lagging the market, there's a very easy technique which I will show you to find stocks which are very strong or which are very weak. If you have telechart, this is very simple way to find stocks which are weak or strong. Now if you have telechart and if you want to get this particular column, in order to get this column YTD column, it is a column which is available as a system criteria. In order to get this column, insert column, go to value and put in look for YTD. So if you look for YTD, you will see YTD percentage change. So YTD percentage change is a column, and if you put this column and start looking at stocks and sort, this is a list of stocks which I created, which are all US common stocks, American depository receipt, exchange traded funds, and they have 100,000 liquidity and price is about $3, and I sorted it by this particular price percent change. So you will see for this particular year, from the first day of the year, this stock BTCS has made 110% move, right? This stock has made 110%. So it's the strongest stock in the market. Or if you want to find stocks with momentum, right? This particular stock is up 76%. NEX is up 63%. IMT, look at like this stock going up for 5-6 days, and in 6 days it is up 54%. So like this, you will see these are the strongest stocks. So if you want to find the strongest stocks, you want to trade the stocks with momentum, or you want to find the market leaders, these are the stocks which are leading the market in 2022 as of this particular date. You want to find the weak stock, you can look for sort by this particular column and look for the weakest stock. This particular stock is down 84%. This stock is down 77%. And this way you can find strong and weak stock using a very simple tool which is available in telechart, and that way you can find trading opportunities either in the strongest stock or on the weakest stock. So if you're going to be doing a continuation short, you look for a setup like this, and this is a continuation short. If you're looking for a continuation long, you'll look for a setup like this is again a short kind of a setup, right? And so it's very simple, YTD percentage change, and it is built in. And if you want to make it look like this, the way I have done it, all you have to do is like you go here, edit, and then this thing you can change it to YTD, right? You change it to YTD. You want to change the positive colors to green, so you can make it green. You want to make the green more bright, you can make it bright. You want to make the negative color as red, and you want to make zero colors as yellow, and there you have a YTD column which will find you the strongest stocks and the weakest stocks in the market. So in a strongest stock, look for a consolidation or a bull flag kind of a move, and then you can buy if it is breaking out of that. If you want to find stocks to short, look for stocks which are very weak, and this is the easiest way you can track stocks which are leading the market. So if you are looking for momentum stocks, this is one of the easiest way using telechart to find strong stocks for the year YTD or which are down the most.